The crypto world has its fair share of scams and security risks, but it's easy to avoid issues with proper preparation. In this episode of Diamond Hands, we are sharing with you 5 essential security tips to help you stay safe on your crypto journey. Learn about cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology, and how they work. Understand the basics of wallets, exchanges, and security practices. This will help you make informed decisions and avoid potential problems. We have already covered many of these topics in this channel, so browse our videos to learn more. Before picking your cryptocurrency exchange, do your homework and find a reputable and secure service. Look for exchanges that use effective security measures such as two-factor authentication, cold storage for funds, and regular security audits. Use hardware wallets or trusted software wallets to store your cryptocurrencies. Hardware wallets are the most secure option as they store your private keys offline. Always update your wallet software. If you don't, you might expose yourself to some of the newest security exploits you don't even know about. When sending cryptocurrency, always check if you have the recipient's correct address. Cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible, and sending funds to the wrong address might mean losing your money for good. Always do your research when investing in new or unknown cryptocurrencies and initial coin offerings or initial exchange offerings. Take the time to read the project's white paper and check the team's credentials. The crypto market can be volatile and investments carry risks. Only invest what you can afford to lose and consult with a financial advisor if needed. Remember, if the promises seem too good to be true, they probably are. Follow these essential security tips and you'll be ready to take on the crypto world with confidence. Thanks for watching and make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful crypto content. See you next time!